and welcome back to Old Kenny's Photography. Kind of tell it like it is. Wow, hope you're doing okay. Outside today it's clear, cool. We got near freezing here in Arkansas last night, and I got to thinking, I said, man, I haven't done a video about autumn yet, and I'll just kind of hurry this along a little bit because you need to be out there shooting. If you're sitting at home and you got the leaves are changing outside, you need to be out taking pictures. If you're a portrait photographer, you need to get a hold of your models, you need to get a hold of your customers, your family. Go out and use this autumn backdrop, guys. It's just tremendous, and we only get a few weeks a year to do this. I mean, once it's gone forever until the next year. So whether you're a landscape photographer, get out there and shoot some photos. Do not stay at home. Take pictures of creeks and animals or squirrels and deer, whatever you can. A few years ago when I was still in China, the whole time I was in China and had a camera, I lived for autumn. I'd get a hold of the models that I knew, my students, and I would make sure that, boy, we had to go out and take photos. I mean, I just impressed upon them and said there's nothing like it. We only get to do this for a short while, and it worked. And my last 3 years I was in China, we had a place called Jiaoshan Island, and it was a part of the Yangtze River system, and it was an island, and it's a big tourist thing, and you had to go there by ferry. So every 20 or 30 minutes there'd be a ferry come pull up, and you walk off the dock and get on and go back across and go to the island. There's a real big temple area. Then up on Jiaoshan Hill, there's another temple area. But the leaves there, when they turn, it's so pristine, and there's something about that mystic. You're walking in a place that's thousands of years old, and you got trees in there that's 800-900 years old, and man, there's so much nostalgia, and it's so beautiful. If you have a temple and these golden yellow and orange leaves in the background, and you got your model posing, or it doesn't matter. There's nothing like it, for taking photos, and I would go there irregardless. If I couldn't find somebody willing to get out of bed and go shoot, or as soon as my classes were over, I was a teacher there and teaching the colleges in China, I'd take off, just go take pictures, because I knew I had a short window and had to go out there and do it. And I remember one day I was walking under these maple trees. They were young maples. None of them were any bigger around, than this. And they were red maples, red and orange. I remember following this path of this grove of maples, and all the sunlight was coming in, and I'm going, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And I'm on the phone right then trying to call, one of my students. I said, you need to come out here to Jiaoshan. I'll meet you and pay for your way into the park. And I'm just so excited to be out there. The colors are just tremendous. But that's what it's supposed to be like. It's autumn. We got Halloween coming up, and when November is going to ease around into Thanksgiving. But the prime time, we got this window, from, depending on where you're at, late September to through November, and that's it. And it's going to be gone after that. So anyhow, I'll shut up here and quit blabbing so much, but I'll put some pictures up and kind of get you into autumn fever a little bit, and show you just how beautiful it was where I was shooting at. I'll try to dig some of those photos up, but back here in Arkansas now, where I'm at, we have Pettigene Mountain, and we have places that we like to take those landscape pictures. So wherever you're at, there's probably a park near you where you can get out and do something, have some fun, but don't sit at home. All right, this is the magic time of year. So if you like my little videos, like I said, today's just kind of a quickie. I just want to get you in the mood to go out and take take some photos of the colors, okay? But I want you to have a great day and go out and take some pictures, okay? If you like this, subscribe. All right, we'll talk to you soon. So, bye-bye.